Keychron K2 is an excellent keyboard for anyone looking for a very clicky mechanical keyboard. I got the version with the brown keys, but of course they come in blue, brown, and red. I think that brown is perfect because it's a middle in-between ways between blue and red in terms of the clickiness. It has excellent pairing with any Mac or PC, and it also includes a USB-C cable. Something else that's really cool is that you can pair it with either an Android or iOS device, and yes, this does include iPads. You can choose either to connect via Bluetooth or with the cable. There are also two kickstand legs on the back, which allow for elevating the back portion of the keyboard. One thing to note is that this keyboard does not set flat on your desk. As you can see, it's a bit raised. If this could be an issue for you, just simply get a wrist rest. I searched for a really long time to try and find the perfect mechanical keyboard, and while it may not exist, this one comes really close. The design has a nice modern yet retro throwback. The connectivity is easy and simple so that anyone can use it, and the typing experience is fantastic. It just simply feels good typing on this keyboard. Since this keyboard is in really high demand, a lot of YouTubers and Twitch streamers use it. I recommend that you order one as soon as you can if you're interested, because they go out of stock extremely quickly. I had to wait about 3 weeks for mine to come in. But I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can get the absolute best price on one of these. There are so many options with the backlit LED keys, and it's so easy to change them. I can honestly say that this keyboard has made typing a joy for me. If you have any questions about this keyboard, let me know down in the comments. Again, if you're interested in checking out the Keychron K2 for yourself, be sure to check out my link in the description, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.